In the early 2000s, a man named Adam Shepard graduated from school with a degree in business, and he decided to live the American dream. And to test that, he decided to travel from Raleigh in North Carolina to South Carolina to a city called Charleston with only $25 in his pocket. He had to save for a year, had to work really hard work, saved money, and also had to live in shelters. This is the kind of thing that a lot of people work because they just want to come up with something that is transformative in their life. But his goal was to determine whether people can succeed even if they don't have anything in their pockets. He was homeless for many months and he had to work multiple jobs until he was able to save about $5,000 and rent an apartment. Adam chronicled that in a book that was entitled Scratch Beginnings. And this book later became a bestseller. Adam's story highlights the importance of hard work and determination and the sustainability of something that you want to achieve in your life without just focusing on doing something really intense for a short period of time. If you want to do something and you want to be successful, that might take some time. Growth takes time. The moral lesson of the story that I am telling you right now is that success might not be determined by only circumstances that we see on the society level or the circumstances that we were born into. Maybe sometimes success is determined by your attitude and the social network of people you live with, and the way you can change and adapt to new attitudes and new mindsets. People might not be able to change the way they are individually speaking, or they might not be able to change their personality, but they can update their mindset. His story is a reminder that with the right mindset and determination, people can achieve so many things in their life and overcome all the obstacles that they might assume that there are and achieve their dreams. Have a wonderful day.